Hello and welcome. In this video, let's get introduced to SQL using the Canteen Shop transaction data. After we download it, we can open our terminal and unzip the contents. A glance at the data shows us the column present where the first row is the column names and the respective rows are transactions. Let's get back to our terminal and log in into our Postgres instance. We will create a database here named Canteen and switch to the same using \c followed by name of the database. We can continue working on the database here, but for our convenience, we will launch pgadmin4. Here we will locate our database and open the query tool. We will start by creating the table with columns similar to the downloaded dataset and assigning respective data types. Once executed with a success message, we can query the complete table using the select statement and are returned with nothing, since the table is empty. Let's get back to our terminal and use the copy command to import data into a terminal. We'll put CSV here since it's a CSV file and header since it contains headers. Once executed, let's get back to pgadmin and execute the same statement again. And we are rewarded with the complete data. But maybe you don't like the whole data, so let's explicitly mention the columns that are required. Wait, you don't know what the price column is all about? Let's rename it using as keyword. We can also create new columns. Let's say discount by using some mathematical operations on existing columns. Let's filter the data by the customers that pay through cash using where statement. Similar things can be done with numerical columns like customer satisfaction, or we can also combine both. Now we want to find the total number of items sold. It can be done like this, but the more SQL-ish way will be using group by. For that, we will first select the column that we want to be as a group category, followed by group data, in this case sum of quantity as total sold. Further, we can sort the results based on columns using ascending or descending order. And finally, using having statement to filter the group data. We can also save the results in another table and query it separately. And finally, save the results into a CSV file. If we get a permission error, we can simply create a directory with read-write permission and save the results in that directory.